Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to unbox my new SMK Typhon helmet. Let's get it. Here is our package, SMK helmet, and I ordered this from Flipkart before the Big Billion Day sale, and today they delivered it to me. See, these guys, they did not do any package at all, just they gave me this empty box. No worries, let's see. Let me quickly get helmet out. Let's do it here. Here comes the helmet. So, helmet comes in this bag, and this bag is too good. You can keep it for safety of your helmet. It's not that. See, it's good. They give good quality of bag. And here comes the beast, SMK Typhon. You can notice these colors similar, right? My rims and these. I specially searched for this color helmet so that it matched with my bike, and I got it in reasonable price. I'll let you know. So first, this SMK comes with dual visor. This comes with this dual visor. One is this and another one is this sun visor. It's good. They are giving sun visor in this reasonable price, and also it comes with this Pinlock. See, it comes with Pinlock 30. Here you can see, right, the Pinlock is already inserted, and this Pinlock helps to prevent the vapor. During my last ride to Ladakh, I was using that drifter from Studs. It was not having this Pinlock. I faced a lot of challenges in high altitudes, right? We breathe continuously, right? And I was using that balaclava, and due to that the fog is forming on my visor. I was not able to see properly. So this comes with ISI certified and DOT certified, which is American standard, and this is Indian standard. And also this comes with latest EC 2022-6, which is famous certification that followed in Europe. And looks wise, it's really good. You can see the looks are really good. They mentioned SMK and they mentioned the name Typhon, and it's similar to a cobra opening its mouth. You can see clearly the graphics. The cobra is here, and it's really good. This is what I expected, and the padding, it's really good. And this comes with a double D-ring strap, which is really good in this price range. I bought this for 4K, and there was card offer as well, so I got it for 3,780 rupees, I think, from Flipkart on first day of the Big Billion Days. I mean, it starts one day early, right? Good air ventilation. You can clearly see front for air ventilation, and here you can see another vent. Hear it. So this is of M size. Let me see if it fits me. It perfectly fits me, and I don't feel any challenges while wearing this. My cheeks are totally pressed, and it sits perfect. I think this helmet it weighs approximately around 1600 grams, and I'll be mounting my GoPro here. Maybe it goes up to 2 kgs for me. SMK provided a branded keychain and some stickers and a manual here. They suggest some sizes and all those things. I'll provide the proper review after using this helmet in my upcoming rides with my buddy. I'm planning to name it. I'm thinking on it. Like I'll let you know in my next video the name. This is not any promotion for SMK. Thanks for watching and take care. See you in the next vlog. Signing off.